let me show you how to back up your entire Samsung phone to a USB flash drive. For example, if you want maybe transfer your data to a new phone, so it's actually quite easy. So over here, for example, I have the S25 and the S25 Ultra, but again, it works with any Samsung phone essentially. So first, what you want to do is you have to actually get a USB flash drive. So if you have one that with this old style of plug, you'll need to basically get adapters that convert the USB to Type-C. Then let's connect it to our old phone basically and go to the settings, and we want to find accounts and backup here. Okay, and external storage transfer, select this one. Yep, select this drive where you want to do it. Okay, and then either click everything here, or also you can click custom and only select the things you want to transfer. For example, we can select contacts, apps, various settings, maybe let's select image, let's say. So you see, simply select whatever you want to and click backup. Yep, also you see it will be encrypted as well on this drive. So again, it can only be restored to a phone. If you want to access it in any other way, really it's not possible really. So again, it only can be used to transfer to another phone. Okay, so you see it will take some time to back up. So simply wait till it finishes. Okay, so almost done. And you will see like a backup result. So we can click next, done, and we can remove our flash drive. Also, you actually need to sign in on the same Samsung account that you have on your old phone to be able to actually decrypt the data on this flash drive. So yeah, let's connect to this new phone then, and I will show you how to actually get it on this phone essentially. So yeah, once connected, we can again go in the settings and go to the accounts and backup here, and external storage transfer again. Click over here. Yep, below these, and you see you basically have restore from. So once you connect it, it will appear here. So we can click this. So you see it's decrypting the data on the flash drive. So again, yeah, select if you want to move everything, or again, we can even like again choose only part of things we want to transfer if you backed pretty much everything. So yeah, let's click here, and you see it's restoring the data now. So let's simply wait. So you see it finish transferring. It's maybe sorting through the stuff, getting it in the right place, I guess. And you see everything is restored that we needed. And we can now unplug this, and everything should be transferred basically on your new phone. The only thing it can't transfer, I'm seeing, is some WhatsApp stuff. For example, maybe like WhatsApp chats, images, so you have to actually do that manually from the WhatsApp itself. Other than that, it transfers everything absolutely perfect. Okay, good luck.